What I wish I knew at 30 instead of 45. You spent your 20s not really caring about money, but by your 30s, it was time to start figuring that stuff out. Money is simply energy that gets used to create, of course, the basic necessities, but ultimately you use it to create freedom of motion and time. This is something that you should have started when you had your first job when you were 14, but any time is a good time. Set aside 10% of your income every single time you get a paycheck to savings or reserves. But put that into some kind of interest earning account. Don't just give the bank your money. Something that you're going to have to get out of your way is the fear of having money. You wouldn't think you were scared of it, but you were. Money is simply used to amplify intention. So clarify those, know that yours are good, and go get that bank. The best thing you did in your 30s was to go without credit cards for a few years because it disciplined you into making more money if you wanted to buy something. Saving is obviously important, but the best skill is learning how to make it. At 45, you're going to know that you have not learned everything there is to know about this topic by any means. So keep yourself as educated as you can. But money alone is not the goal. It's what you're going to do with it.